Hello everyone, I'm Q, your host, and welcome to Idea to App. I'm super excited to be your guide on this coding journey. But before we get underway, let me give you a quick rundown of my background and what we'll be diving into together. So, I'm a visual creative, and I like bringing ideas to life. I've been immersed in the world of mobile application development for over 6 years now, and along the way, I've explored various coding languages, including Swift for iOS, JavaScript for web development, including HTML, CSS, and sometimes Bootstrap, and of course, Dart with Flutter framework. Speaking of Flutter, let me tell you why it's become my main language of choice. Flutter's declarative nature allows me to see my changes come to life in real time, making development incredibly efficient, fast, and enjoyable. Plus, its creative flexibility gives me the freedom to design exactly what I'm envisioning without feeling confined by code. Now, let's talk about the exciting projects we'll be working on together. These will include a donation app. In this project, we'll create a user-friendly mobile app that allows users to discover and support various charitable organizations. Users will be able to browse through different causes, make secure donations, and receive real-time updates on the impact of their contributions. Transparency and ease of use will be at the heart of this app, as we build a platform that connects donors with meaningful charitable endeavors. The second app that we'll be working with is the Weather app, where we will be building a sleek and intuitive weather app that provides real-time weather information for different locations. We'll use APIs to fetch weather data, display forecasts, and create visually appealing interfaces that keep users informed about their current weather conditions. The third app we'll be developing is a coffee app. Coffee lovers, this one is for you. In this project, we'll create an app that enables users to explore and order their favorite coffee drinks from a menu. We'll implement features like user authentication, browsing coffee options, customizing orders, and handling payments securely. And last but not least, a movie server. In this project, we'll develop a movie server that allows users to browse and discover movies and TV shows. We'll utilize APIs to fetch movie data, implement search functionality, and create a user-friendly interface for users to explore the vast world of cinema. So as you can see, we'll be dealing with real-world projects, bringing our coding skills to life every step of the way. Throughout this journey, we'll learn and build upon tons of cool features, from creating stunning user interfaces to integrating APIs and handling real-time data. It's going to be hands-on, engaging, and packed with valuable insights. But wait, there's more. Coding is way better in a collaborative way. On this channel, we'll collaborate as a community, where we'll learn from each other, support one another's progress, and celebrate the victories as we grow. Viewer feedback is not just encouraged, it's a vital part of our coding community. I can't wait to see your unique solutions and creative approaches to building these projects in your own coding environment. As you work on each project, feel free to share your progress, code snippets, and ideas in the comments section, or if you want to send them in, however you feel comfortable. Your contributions will not only inspire others, but also foster collaboration and learning among all viewers. If you encounter any challenges or come up with interesting enhancements to the app features, let us know. We'll discuss different solutions, explore new possibilities, and celebrate every breakthrough together. Remember, this channel is about learning, growing, and supporting one another in our own coding journey. So don't hesitate to express your ideas, share your experiences, and showcase your unique app versions. Your contributions are invaluable, and I can't wait to see what you create. Now, before we get started, I've got some awesome tips up my sleeve to make your coding experience even smoother. If you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you won't miss any of our coding adventures. Are you ready? Let's get into it. Here are some fantastic books that will serve as invaluable support in your coding journey, covering various aspects of software development, design, coding, and more. The first book is called Software Development, Design, and Coding by John F. Dooley. This comprehensive guide dives into the world of software development, covering essential topics like patterns, debugging, unit testing, and refactoring. It's a must-have resource for honing your coding skills and creating efficient, robust applications. The second book is called Software Development from A to Z by Olga Filipova and Ray Valal. hopefully I said your names correct. This book offers a deep dive into all the roles involved in the software development creation process. From ideation to development to deployment, it provides a holistic view of the development journey, making it an essential reference for developers at all levels. The third book is called Data Structures and Algorithms by Ray Wenderlich and his tutorial team. If you want to master data structures and algorithms in Dart, this book is the ultimate guide. With clear explanations and practical code examples, it will enhance your understanding and code proficiency. The fourth book is called Software Engineering with UML by Van Unhelkar. Hopefully that name is said correctly too. For those eager to practice UML, which is called Unified Modeling Language, this book is a valuable resource. It equips you with the skills to design and communicate software architecture effectively. So for you software developers that are trying to become software architects, this next book is for you. It's called Design It by Michael Keeling. This book dives into the world of software architecture and code design with this insightful book. It explores best practices and techniques for creating maintainable, scalable, and flexible software systems. This next book is called Clean Architecture by Robert C. Martin. This book helps you discover the principles and the benefits of clean architecture in this thought-provoking book. It emphasizes the importance of designing software with the separation of concerns and clear boundaries, leading to robust and maintainable code bases. Another book by Robert C. Martin, which is actually one of my favorite books, is called Clean Code by Robert C. Martin. If you're seeking to write clean, readable, and maintainable code, this classic book is a must-read. It offers practical guidelines and principles to elevate your coding craftsmanship. And last but not least, my ultimate go-to book is called Design Patterns, Elements of Reusable Object-Oriented Software by the Gang of Four, who are Eric Gamma, Richard Helm, Ralph Johnson, and John Lyseeds. Their phenomenal work explores the fundamental design patterns that enable code reuse and efficient problem solving in object-oriented software development. These books are here to empower you with knowledge, skills, and a deeper understanding of the software development landscape. So keep coding, you'll get there. We'll begin with a problem statement, and then we will work that problem statement through our research stage, our design phase, coding stage, testing, and then back to coding, and then testing and coding and testing and coding. And then we'll send it off to deployment, and then off to the App Store. And while it's there may be some things that over time it may break. We need to do some updates on something. That's where our maintenance comes into play. So that's what we'll be doing with this project itself. In the beginning, what do we need to set up our coding environment? Well, there are a few things before we dive into our exciting project. Let's make sure that we have the right tools to set up our coding environment with. Here are some essential websites that you'll find invaluable in your development journey. First is Visual Studio. This is one of the most powerful and versatile code editors in which I use. Visual Studio offers a user-friendly interface, a plethora of extensions, and excellent support for various programming languages. You can find this at code.visualstudio.com. The second is version control with GitHub. I mean, everybody needs version control, right? With GitHub, you can collaborate, track changes, and manage your code efficiently. It's a must-have platform for version control, enabling seamless teamwork and safeguarding your project's integrity, especially when you mess up your current version of your app. You can seamlessly roll back to a previous version and try again. You can find this at github.com. For payment integrations, I like to utilize Stripe. It's a trusted platform for handling transactions, making donations, and managing financial interactions. Their documentation is superb for developers to interact with their API. You can find this at stripe.com. With Firebase, you can build real-time apps. It is a comprehensive platform that handles data storage, authentication, push notifications, and other various backend services with ease. You should check out their Flutter integration for seamless app development called Flutterfire. For this, you can go to firebase.com to read their documentation, and you can check out their Flutterfire at firebase.flutter.dev. Now, since we're going to be utilizing Flutter in our development, there's some things you should know and get used to while developing in Flutter. So what we're going to be using for Flutter development, you can kickstart your Flutter journey with these essential websites. The first one is going to be Flutter's official website at flutter.dev. The next one is pub.dev for Flutter packages and their plugins, and dart.dev for mastering the Dart programming language that powers Flutter. For unified modeling language, we use draw.io. With this, you can design and visualize your app architecture with draw.io's intuitive UML tools. You can plan, communicate, and streamline your development process with clear diagrams and flowcharts. You can find this suite at drawio.com. For prototyping designs, we design with Sketch. With Sketch, you're able to create stunning prototypes for your app. If you come from a design background like myself, this powerful design tool is perfect for creating user interfaces that truly shine. You can find this at sketch.com. So when it's time to share your app with the world, you'll need a developer account for your app distribution. You can enroll in the Apple Developer Program for $99 per year and the Google Play Console for $25. You can get your Android developer account by going to play.google.com/console, and you can get your Apple developer account by going to appledeveloper.apple.com to enroll there. By leveraging these websites, you will be equipped with a robust coding environment, powerful development tools, and the support you need to create outstanding apps. So let's gear up with these essentials and get ready for an exciting coding adventure.